Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your hard drive from MBR to GPT during Windows installation. If you've ever seen the message, Windows cannot be installed on this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. Don't worry. I'll guide you step by step on how to fix it easily. While you're on the Windows setup screen, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open the command prompt window. Now, type the following commands carefully. Type diskpart, then press Enter. This command opens the disk partition tool. Next, type list disk and press Enter. This shows all the drives connected to your computer. You'll see disk 0, disk 1, or more. Now, type select disk 0 and press Enter. This selects the main drive you want to work on. Next, type clean and press Enter. This step erases everything on the drive. All partitions and data will be deleted. After that, type convert GPT, then press Enter. This converts the drive from MBR format to GPT format. Now you can close the command prompt window. Back on the Windows setup screen, click the refresh button. You'll now see your drive listed as unallocated space. Select it and continue the Windows installation. This time, the setup will proceed smoothly without any errors. You've successfully converted your drive from MBR to GPT during Windows installation. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.